together. I pray for stormy weather to hide the tears I hope you'll never see.